We often think of fishing with a mouse fly as a night fishing game, but it's not always the case. There's certain places, such as the River of Dreams and at Magic Waters in Patagonia, where the fish don't have a lot of food. They're very opportunistic, very aggressive, and they'll take a mouse during the day. There's other places in the world. Alaska, for instance, big rainbows in Alaska will take mice during the day. Big brook trout in Labrador will take mice during the day. And you know, it's probably a good idea if you have a river that has large trout in it to try a mouse fly during the day, just to see if it works. Granted, mice aren't that active during the day, but they do occasionally fall in, but maybe fishing a mouse fly during a day is just a lure, just like a streamer. It's something big that a big trout's gonna chase. So we're gonna try fishing mice during the day here on the River of Dreams and see what happens. So when you're fishing a mouse, in slower water, some people will just strip it like a streamer with little strips, or they'll let it just swing in the current and drag. But here, they use a different method. They get caught in the trees behind them, and then they don't have to worry about fishing a mouse because they lose the fly. Normally, I would be fishing toward the shore. It makes more sense. A mouse drops off the bank and then swims through shallow water, but I'm just demonstrating here, and that's why I got my back cast caught. But they hold their rod high and they really wiggle the rod back and forth to make that thing swim. It looks like a little mouse swimming through the water, and it jiggles that tail, and you know, it looks realistic. Problematic hook setting, because you got your rod so high, it's tough. You can either try strip setting or you can try setting with the rod tip, but it's going to be a problematic thing. So, but mouse fishing is, you know, you miss a lot of them, but it's fun. It's exciting because the fly's on top, the eats are on top, and you can see everything happening. We've been trying to catch some fish on mice during the day on the Huemules at Magic Waters, and so far we've been fishing mice and haven't even had one eat it. So I'm going to try something I never tried before. I'm sure people have done it, but I'm going to fish my mouse, and then I'm going to hang a small black woolly bugger behind it on a piece of 3X fluorocarbon and see if that works. Might as well try it.